How to fix your keyboard is not working or your wired keyboard is not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you want to open up the start menu and then search for power and sleep settings. Click on it. Now you want to click on additional power settings on the right side. And then from here you want to click on choose what the power buttons do. Now it should open up this page right here. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And now make sure that turn on fast startup is disabled. Make sure to uncheck it if it's already checked. Then you want to click on save changes and close this window. Now you want to right click on the start button and open up the device manager. Now then expand the drop down next to keyboards. And then you should find your keyboard device. And then you will need to right click on the keyboard. You can also do it for all of the devices you find in here. Right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on browse my computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then you want to click on the first one right here. Click on next and wait for it to install the drivers. And then you will do the same for all of these HID keyboard device, or you can do it only for your keyboard device if you see a single keyboard device right here. And then you will simply need to click on this icon on the top with the screen and the search icon. Click on it. And then you will need to close the device manager and basically just restart your computer. And after restarting your computer, it should be the issue should be fixed. And if for some reason this still didn't get the keyboard to work properly, you can try to switch the USB port to basically connect it to a different USB port. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.